One night I dreamed about what was primal, merciless and untamed. I dreamed of a real manhood. I jumped up from the bed to my feet. I didn't even know for what purpose, but I felt that something was wrong. I ran to the bathroom, in front of the mirror. Who is this man? Is it still me? Do I really look like this? The anxiety grew with each breath. Time was pressing. I have to become a man. I have to surround myself with what is masculine. I have to have what is masculine. Here it is. The moment has come. I took the sharpest knife I could find. A blinding light spread over my face. At a moment later, I saw this. I went back online and found Mike, who knows everything about manhood. After all, he's Italian. This is how my journey began, which continues to this day. Hello guys! Yes, that handsome guy is me. Inspired by Mike's video, I decided to learn a few butterfly knife tricks. The beginnings were as follows. For the start, I chose the most basic opening of the knife, the so-called basic open, which requires us to swing the knife from ourselves, then rotate it in the hand and swing it towards ourselves. The whole thing is really basic. Learning time is about 10 minutes. As you can see, I use a trainer, cause I do like my fingers. After I finished trying, it was time for Y2K. The trick of rotating the knife around the thumb and grabbing the handle. It sounded easy, but initially it wasn't. Judge for yourself.
As you may have noticed, the beginnings were not easy.
As you may have noticed, the beginnings weren't too easy. I didn't even know how to open the knife. I damaged the wall, but I like it. The trick, after some tries, seemed impossible to perform, but I decided to trust the smarter than myself, and after another several minutes, I noted the first successful attempt. I really wanted to master it, because it was going to be of use to us in the future with more tricks. Study time about an hour. Next in line was the wrist pass. In this case, as the name suggests, we have to make the knife move with our wrist. This is a key sequence in some tricks to avoid the contact with the blade. Okay, when we got past the two previous tricks, we were able to start learning Zen Rollover. The principle is almost the same as in the case of the first trick, except that now we end the whole sequence with a wrist pass. Otherwise, our fingers would have an unpleasant encounter with the blade. The beginnings, usually on the level of the floor, from which I had to pick up the balisong every now and then. But richer with the experience, I knew that this would change soon. Okay, some things don't change. So, the first tricks were pretty easy, but when I saw the last one I felt it could take a while. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, our icing on the cake, Helix. The trick, in a simplified way, consists of Y2K with a slight modification. Next, rotation around the index finger and Zen Rollover. Then, it should be easy. After all, we already knew 2 of the 3 stages. But would this really so? I don't think so. it looks easy. Now it is, but after a lot of practice. Losses, self-respect and well, was it worth it? Definitely yes. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like or comment, and see you next time. See ya!